Okay, so coming to a seated position, let's do some more hip opening. So let's start with one leg on top. Doesn't matter which leg. I'm going to start with the right leg. So
you can either do it open seated,
halfway across, or knee to knee. I personally like halfway across to really get the hips flat, more of a turned out position. So sitting up nice and tall, again, thinking of keeping that back straight. We're going to just hinge forward and hold. So like pretend my leg is up to the front, which is essentially what I'm stretching. If I stretch like this, that's how I'm going to be when I'm standing. We don't want to be like that. We want to keep our back nice and straight. So keep that back straight, gently leaning forward. Good. And just holding. Really important for dancers to stretch out your hips because you want the strong turnout muscles, but you don't want to tighten up. But once you tighten up, you can't turn out, you can't lift your leg. It's really painful. So make sure you're constantly stretching your hips. So sitting up nice and tall, let's come back to a more
open seated
thing now. Whatever leg is on top, that arm goes up. We go the opposite direction, and we're going to hold. You also have the option of pushing this top leg away, and we're just basically getting into the waistband. Getting that waistband. It's a really hard position to find in normal stretching, and this is kind of the only stretch I've found to get there. You should feel it right up here. Good. You can also twist the shoulders a little bit if you like. That's a good one too. Just maneuver around till you find a spot and then stay there. Good. All right, coming back up, let's do the other side. So starting with the hips, wherever you like, all the way, halfway, or knee to knee. Sitting up nice and tall and hinging forward. You can fully do this stretch every day, this sequence every day if you want to. Just make sure you're warmed up. That's the only thing about stretching is if you stretch cold muscles, it not only is not as effective, but you're likely to pull something. So you can do this absolutely every day. Just like I said, 5 minutes of warming up is really all you need. Or after ballet class, after a workout, this is great. So coming back up, whatever leg is on top, that arm goes up. We go the opposite direction. Good, and maybe even push that leg away. That feels good. Or twisting. I usually like to twist on this side. Just finding that kind of sticky spot up here. Good. And hold. Good. Good, and coming up. All right, for a further hip stretch, let's put our feet together, and you can either keep them in close to you, or what I like to do is actually think of double attitude front, so a little bit farther away. And I'm going to use my elbows, again, sitting up nice and tall, not rounding, sitting up straight, hinging forward, and using my elbows to press my knees down. That really gets into that outer hip. This is essentially putting your leg on the bar in front of you in attitude, but doing both of them at the same time. So if this is not your thing, go to the bar, put your leg in front in attitude position, and lean forward. Exactly the same stretch. Good.